Good afternoon, children. Welcome to Hindi class. Today I am going to explain about तीन अक्षर वाले शब्द. Three अक्षर वाले शब्द, 3-letter words. Okay. See here, read and understand. Lotus picture is there. Okay. Lotus means in Hindi Kamala, Kamal. Kamala, Kamal. Next, duck picture is there. Ba-ta-kha, Batak. Ba-ta-kha, Batak. Next, Matar. Ma-ta-ra, Matar. Matar means peas. Here I gave English meaning also for your understanding purpose. Next, Magar. Ma-ga-ra, Magar. Identify the letter and read the word. Ma-ga-ra, Magar. Magar means crocodile. Na-ga-ra, Nagar. Nagar means city. La-ha-ra, Lahar. La-ha-ra, Lahar. Lahar means wave. Next, Ka-la-ma, Kalam. Ka-la-ma, Kalam, pen. Ka-la-sha, Kalash. Kalash. Ra-ba-da, Rabad. Ra-ba-da, Rabad, eraser. Sa-da-ka, Sadak. Sa-da-ka, Sadak, road. Ta-ha-la, Tahal, walk. Ta-ha-la, Tahal, walk. Next, Mahal. Ma-ha-la, Mahal. Mahal means palace. Fa-sa-la, Fasal. Fa-sa-la, Fasal. Fasal means crop. Next, Sa-fa-la, Safal. Safal means success. Okay. Next page, A12. In that page we are having चित्रों के नाम लिखो. Write the name of the pictures given below. Write the name of the pictures given below. See the picture and write the picture name in Hindi only. Okay, children. First picture, what picture, children? Lotus. Okay. Lotus means Kamal. Kamal. Pronunciate that word and which letter comes in pronunciation. Kamal. Ka-ma-la. Kamal. Okay. Kamal. Kamal means lotus. Ka-ma-la, Kamal. Next, button picture is there. In Hindi also button. Ba-ta-na, button. Pronunciate that word. Which letter comes in pronunciation, identify that letter and write. Okay. Button. Ba-ta-na, button. Next, duck picture is there. Batak. Batak. Ba-ta-kha, Batak. Peas picture is there. Matar. Matar. Ma-ta-ra, Matar. Pen picture is there. Pen means kalam. Ka-la-ma, kalam. Okay. Next, eraser, rubbed, rabada, rubbed. Next, crocodile picture is there. Magar, magara, magar, magara, magar. Next, palace picture is there. Mahal, mahal, mahala, mahal. Okay. Lotus, kamal, button, button. Duck, batak. Peas, matar. Pen, kalam. Eraser, rubbed. Crocodile, magar. Palace, mahal. Okay. See the next page. A13. चित्रों के नाम लिखो और वाक्य पढ़ो. Name the pictures and read the sentences. Okay. First one. Already you know peace picture is there, right? Peace in Hindi. Matar. Peace means in Hindi matara, matar. Kalash, kalashe, kalash. Pen, kalama, kalam. Kalama, kalam. Next, road picture is there. Sadak, sadaka, sadak. Matar, check. कलश भर. कलम उधर रख. सड़क पर मत टहल. ओके. मटर चकाचक. कलश भरा भर. कलम उधर रख. सड़क पर मत टहला टहल. सड़क पर मत टहल. नेक्स्ट, चित्र में रंग भरो. कलर द पिक्चर. ऑलरेडी इन A12 page we are having crocodile picture. See that picture and color the picture neatly, children. Okay. Thank you.